coming to Egypt for a medical procedure? Are you apprehensive about taking such a step? Or have you ever been conflicted among numerous doctor reviews? Here at the Circle Care, we will assist you step by step in choosing the appropriate treatment plan, physician, and secure hospital suitable for you. And we will accompany you throughout your medical journey to ensure a pleasant and safe experience. Please send us a message so we can assess your needs. If you have any inquiries about the pricing or need any medical advice online, we will guide you on how to circumvent any hurdles you confront during your travel. We will stay with the patient from their initial arrival at the Cairo airport until their safe return home, continuously monitoring the treatment plan. A member of our team will be with you, tracking your condition in real time. And of course, don't forget that you will get to visit various places in Egypt. Coming to Egypt for a medical procedure? Are you apprehensive about taking such a step? Or have you ever been conflicted among numerous doctor reviews?